Today's lesson will be on two-way frequency tables. The frequency table below shows the result of a survey that was taken at a high school. 50 randomly selected students were asked whether they preferred to drink soda, sports drinks, juice, or water. So according to the chart, 10 of the students preferred soda. I use S for soda. And 15 preferred sports drinks. And 7 preferred juice. And 18 stands for water. Preferred to drink water. And there was a total of 50 students surveyed. Complete the chart to find each relative frequency. Well, relative frequency, we got to get the percent of each of the students that selected a particular drink. So we know that there was a total of 50. So if there were 10 students that liked, let's say, soda, we're going to divide that by 50. That gives us 0.2, but you multiply that by 100, that gives you 20%. So we're going to say 20% drank the soda. And likewise, we go down the list. There was 15 that drank sport drinks. You divide that by 50. And that gives you 0.3, which means 30%. The students that drank juice were 7. So you're going to say 7 out of 50. Which is going to give you 14%. And water, there's 18 students, so you're going to divide that out of 50. So that gives you 36%. And 50 out of 50 is 100%. And these percents should add up to 100%. All right, suppose the data recorded included the gender of each student. And this is where we get into a two-way frequency table, because now we're comparing the gender of the boys and girls with who selected a particular sports drink. So you just add them up. So we have, let's say, 4 girls preferred soda, and 5 girls preferred sports drinks, and 4 girls preferred juice, and 9 water. And then of the boys, you have 6 that preferred soda, 10 that preferred sports drinks, 3 that preferred juice, and 9 that preferred water. What you're going to do is add them up. So you get 22 here. And if you add these up, you're going to get 28. And it should still add up to 50, because that's the total amount of students in general that were surveyed. Then you add this up, you get 10, right? That prefers soda in all. It should look just like the other chart we had earlier. So you get 15, 7, and 18. But now we include the gender of the students selected. All right, complete the chart by finding each relative frequency. We're going to do the same thing as we did before. You're going to get the percent of each. So remember, this is a total of 22. So you're going to divide each of these by 22. In this case, you're going to get 8%. Well, you divide by 50, because that's the total amount of students. And you're going to get 8% here. 18%. And then 22 out of 50 is going to be 44%. And then this will be 12%, 20%, 6%, 18%. We're just dividing each of these by 50. This will be 56%. And this should add up to 100, because that's the total amount we're talking about. And this will add up to 20%, 30%, 14%, and 36%. And it should add up to 100 this way also. All right, one other type of relative frequency that you can obtain from a two-way frequency table is the conditional relative frequency. It is found by dividing a frequency by the total of a certain category. Find the conditional relative frequency that a student surveyed prefers to drink soda, given that the student is a girl. All right, so if you look at that chart, remember there was 4 female students that drank the soda, but this time you're going to divide by 22 because there are a total of 22 girls that were surveyed, but only 4 of them drank the soda. So that's going to be 0.18. That means it's going to be 18%. And here's another. Find the conditional relative frequency that a student surveyed is a boy, but given that the student prefers water. Where there were 9 boys, you look at that chart, 9 boys that preferred water, but there's 28 boys that were surveyed. So that's going to give you 0.32, which is 32%. This concludes our lesson for today.